guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a short story time and also a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So I did a video, I want to say about like a couple weeks ago or maybe even a month ago, about my Louis Vuitton Neo Noe bag. I was doing a review on it and I was explaining how the bag glazing was chipping and cracked and the interior of the bag suede was just in bad condition. So you guys have commented saying that I should go and exchange it or see what Louis Vuitton can do for me. Did that and I exchanged it for a different bag, so that is what I'm going to unbox today. So if you are interested in what I got, just please keep on watching. Okay guys, sorry for the lighting. First of all, I'm sitting right by my window and I probably look really pale, but it's the best I could do today. I'm kind of trying to do this in a hurry because I have things to do today, but I also wanted to record a video for you guys so I can edit and have it up by Monday, which leads me to, if you're new, my name is Maria Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury pretty much. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, please consider to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Mondays and Thursdays. So without further ado, let's just get right into the unboxing because I'm super excited about this unboxing. And the bag is actually not mine. I thought I would give something or get something for my mom that she's been wanting, so why not, you know? So that's what I did. So I'm not gonna put the bag back in the box because I don't want to smush it, but this is the box that it came in. Also, it was during the Christmas time, so I got this ribbon, the white ribbon that says Louis Vuitton on it all over, and also this little cute card. And this is just like a little cute card that you could write a note into and just stick it in this thing. So it's very pretty. I love their theme this year. It's just very unique and also very loud, which is, I don't know, just the colors is so beautiful. So this is the ribbon that was wrapped around this box. Also, I also received an extra one. My sales associate gave me an extra one. I love my sales associate. She is amazing. So yeah, this is the box that it came in. So maybe by the box you could tell what I got. So this is the dust bag right here. Oh, it's all messed up. So this is the dust bag, and what I ended up getting for my mom was, dun, 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 yes, oh my goodness, I love this bag. This is such a cute bag. So I got her the Louis Vuitton Speedy in the 25 size in the Damier Ebene print. She's been wanting this bag for such a long time. So when I was in the Louis Vuitton store, I was like, can you please bring out this bag so I can look at it, try it on, see, like, make sure she'll like it and everything. So she brought it out and it was the only one left in the location that I was, which was the Short Hills Mall. So she's like, it's the only one I have left, and it's brand new. So I was like, perfect. I always say that if you're gonna invest in your money into a new luxury bag, you want one that's brand new, that hasn't been touched by anyone else. It's a very pet peeve of mine if a sales associate just gives me a displayed bag. I don't know if that's sounding spoiled or bratty or self-centered, but I mean, I'm spending a lot of money on a bag. I want one that is in pristine condition, you know? So I was so happy that this was brand new and the only one left. So I'm gonna explain the bag a little more. So it is in the Damier Ebene print, like I said, and it's in the bandouliere style. Louis Vuitton has two different styles of this bag, one that does not have the strap. Let me show you the strap. The strap that comes with the bag, and it is in the gold hardware. The bag also has gold hardware, but I'll show you that in a second. So this is the strap, and you can adjust this strap to have it be shorter for like a shoulder bag or have it to be like a crossbody bag. So I think this is super cute, and I love the bandouliere style more than the normal, but I mean, it's your preference. I don't know if you like crossbody bags or not. If there is a difference in price, I think without the strap it's less money, but I know she wanted the strap, and I wanted her to have some options because she likes to wear it crossbody some days. She likes to wear it just like on the hand like this, or you could put on the crook of your arm. So this bag is so versatile, which I love. Just the little details of the bag, like these buttons right here say Louis Vuitton on it right here, and it has the treated canvas, or the treated coated canvas on the straps, and right here the bandouliere side strap is a coated canvas right here. Also, the bag itself is very, very durable. It's the damier print. You can wear it in the rain, you can wear it in the snow. It's a bag that will never lose its color and its durability. So this bag is perfect for her because she loves a bag that she could just like, you know, she doesn't like to baby her bags. Me on the other hand, I'm very careful with my bags. Even if I did get a bag that was in this canvas, I just baby my bags. I'm like, I don't know. I just want them to keep their pristine condition, and I would love to have them as I get older, pass them down. So I'm weird, but I just like to baby my bags. I also wanted to explain the zipper part of the bag. It is gold toned. I'm like, whew. Gold toned. And I love the little detailing on the zipper. It just has LV on it, super pretty. And the interior of the bag is so beautiful. It is this red color interior. It has one pocket on this side, no pockets on this side, but it does feature a D-ring for your keys or anything that you want to hook on there that you don't want to lose within the bag, because it is a very deep bag, and the opening is giving. But I mean, if you have a lot of things in your bag, it can get lost, believe it or not. But yeah, it is just this beautiful red color, and I love this bag. This bag is so cute. The size is perfect. I think the 25 is perfect. I felt like she did have one in the size 30. That one was just way too big. I don't know. I mean, if you carry a lot of things, I mean, it would be perfect for you, but I feel like the 25 is like a perfect all day, everyday kind of bag. And like I said, it doesn't have any like middle compartment or anything. It's just a very hollow bag, so you can fit a lot in this bag. If you guys want to see like a what's in my bag featuring my mom, or if you want me to try to see what my things would fit in, or any other questions, please let me know down in the comments. I just wanted to explain a little story time about this bag. So at first, when I did the review on my Mio Noe, I had no idea that there was like a defect on the bag, that a lot of people were having issues with this bag. I felt like it was just personally me, and even though I baby my bags, I was wondering what was going on with this bag because of the glazing being cracked. I mean, I baby my bags, like I said, so I was not sure, but thankfully for you guys, thank you for letting me know that I can trade in my bag or get my money back. So I didn't know what I wanted to do at first, so I texted my essay and I sent her pictures. She said she'll let her like person know who examines the bags if it is a default or if it's not. And I'm very glad that I did it as soon as I could, because I was just like on the borderline of not being able to exchange it or anything, so I would have been stuck with the bag. I do miss my Mio Noe so much because I've been into mini bags lately, and being into mini bags lately, you're kind of restricted on what you could fit in your bags. So I do not have like I don't have a current big bag like I did for like the Neo Noe was for me, because my Louis Vuitton never full my mom uses, but since I got her this bag, now she could give me my bag back. But yeah, I just wanted to do a little story time to let you guys know. So as I was saying, I texted my SA and she said she'll check with the person. I'm sorry, my phone's going off. She was gonna ask her person to review the pictures that I sent her and see if I should come in, because the Short Hills Mall from where I live is very far, and if I'm not gonna be able to do anything with my bag, I'm not gonna be driving an hour, 2 hours up there for nothing. So she texted her person, she sent her the pictures because she wasn't in that day. She texted me back, she said bring in the bag and she will see it. As soon as I walked into Louis Vuitton, she examined the bag. She's like, automatic default, you can exchange your bag. So that's what I did, and I got this bag so for my mom. So yeah, I just wanted to explain to you guys because you guys had questions about it, and yeah, so thank you guys so much for letting me know that I could exchange this bag. I would have never done so if you guys didn't let me know, so I'm so grateful that you guys did. But yeah, I just wanted to share that little story time. So yeah, this is the bag that I ended up getting. Strap, like I said, is coated canvas. Also I wanted to show you guys the tag. So this is the tag and the coated fabric cowhide leather trim. This also came with it. But yeah, that is my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know if you did. Give this video a big thumbs up. Go follow me on Instagram. I will insert my name on the screen. But yeah, I hope you have a great rest of your day or night, wherever in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.